up on traffic. She just 45'd into 2 vehicles, 45 into the median.
Oh, what do we have here? Woman flees after cop changes her tire.
You need some help? Yep.
What the hell is she doing?
I have a impact wrench. I'll do you one better. Give me 1 second. I'll come help you.
5,376, 362 Rohan.
This thing's been here for a couple days, huh?
It has, yeah.
Just blew a tire. It's not broken down or anything?
No, it's just tired.
Let me grab this for you.
Thank you so much.
Hey, trooper.
You already have it jacked up?
Sorta, yeah.
Sorta.
I do not trust her energy right now. Something is off about this lady, and I don't know what it is.
It's a heavy one. You should grab this.
She wanted to see a police officer in the back. Hey, give it.
How old is that thing?
He's a miniature Dachshund. He won't get much bigger.
It's a little hamster.
Thank you so much.
Yep. You got your little wrench? I don't think I have the right size for this. Yeah, I don't know what size of weird lug nuts you got, but I do not have the correct size for this. You can try your 4-way. 76, go ahead.
Violation of probation, misdemeanor theft, felony theft.
Oh, yeah, she gone. She about to book it on him.
I'm trying to confirm it now.
Got it?
Yep.
You have to hammer it on there.
Yeah.
One at a time.
That's what he said. Ain't that some shit, though? You get some help from a cop thinking you about to be good, then they run your place. You got all these warrants and shit.
Unfortunately, don't thank me yet. What's your birthday? What's your birthday? What are the last 4 of your social?
I would have been like, fuck, you need to know that for.
What's your name? What's your name?
Ashley Cox.
Do you have your ID on you?
I don't think I do, really.
Whose car is this?
This is my cousin's.
You just throwing that in the back seat? Throwing that in the back seat?
Yeah.
Who the hell is this random person?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Main reason I stopped is I saw that billboard. And then I pull up here and it says 40 road. And I'm like, well, I wish I would have known that before I got off the highway, but you're all done, huh?
I'm good, I appreciate you.
All right, buddy, thanks.
Oh, he's just being a good Samaritan.
Just come to this passenger side window real quick if you would. Give me some info.
She about to take off on his ass.
I don't think I do, though.
Give me 1 second. What's
She
your
know she ain't
social?
got that shit.
Your social?
Huh? Honda? You heard what he said.
Hey, hush it. Sparky, I need a ladder.
Sparky, that is an interesting name.
Come back here.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna give you one more chance.
Listen, I have a warrant.
I know you have a warrant.
Okay, please don't take me to jail.
You're going to jail. And don't even
Why would you tell her that and you ain't put her in cuffs yet?
run.
What the hell? Is she really about to take off? Oh, it's still jacked up.
Stop.
Please don't take me to
Stop.
jail.
If you want another charge, get back here.
No charge.
Now.
Please don't take me to
Get
jail.
back here now.
What the fuck?
It's a felony charge. Get out. Felony charge. Get out. Running. I'm going to chase you. Felony charge.
With the jack on, this lady can't be too bright. Do you know how bad that's gonna fuck up your? Never mind.
Don't do it.
She doing it. Ooh. He just messed up his jack too. And he was just over here trying to help. And I make swerve in that caddy. Whoa. Bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweak in it. Shouldn't let it go. What the hell? Ghost ride the whip. It's amazing she didn't hit that barricade. That was some really Need for Speed shit right there. Oh, it's flat. Cause she didn't tie on the nut. Did he tie on the lug nuts all the way? We going into traffic. This can't be good, bro. Oh my God.
Starting mileage 46483. Got on 40 eastbound 362. Tires blown. He's on metal. Light traffic, clear roads.
Light traffic, clear roads. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass, and I'm homebound. He ugly. What's up? Just go knock on the door.
Speed's 47. She's going on the shoulder. Come back on lane 3.
Why the hell did she think this was a good idea?
Still metal to asphalt. Additional charges, criminal impersonation. 364 east. Like
You going to jail?
Out a couple times
You going to jail?
before she got on this interstate here. She's pulling off the shoulder. Speed's 42.
That's because that tire giving out with that dumb ass.
The shoulder.
She's stopped right now, still in drive.
Gotcha, bitch.
Getting off the exit.
Copy, getting off the exit.
I'm looking for the interstate in case I get back home.
Carrying on going around.
Left into the truck
the
stop.
hell?
Oh, making a U-turn.
She must be a drag racer.
Probably might be your turn.
Impala Drift.
Another U-turn.
She whipping the fuck out of it, ain't she? You know you can only go like 50 miles on the dummy, right?
Back
55 at the most.
Jumping out.
East or west?
Going east, speed 60. White traffic, from what I can see.
Look at that. That is wild, isn't it?
She's 85 miles an hour on a rim. Coming up on
On a rim, that thing is finna explode.
light traffic. Going into lane 1.
What is she thinking? She's not. That's the problem. She's not thinking.
Southbound Hills, again, north 40.
Lane 1, 96 miles an hour. Light traffic.
About 96 miles per hour.
92, 365 east.
Probably 365.
Coming up on traffic.
Oh, that looked like that was finna end really bad. Oh yeah.
45 to
Oh yeah. She's done. Oh, they going into the other oncoming traffic.
vehicles. 45.
Oh.
Median.
Oh, this dummy. Just because you want to run from the police, now you injured other people. That was crazy.
Out of the car!
All you gotta do is at the bottom, just a bing. Gonna crack right open. There you go.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! What are you doing?
She messing around.
Got like 15 other charges. Get out of the car now. Last chance before you get another one. Come on, get out.
Don't take me to jail!
Get out, or I'm gonna drag you out. Get out.
Oh shit. Where's his backup at?
Come out now. No. Put him in the back seat.
You need help? Need help?
Put him in the back seat.
Come on. Come on, you have to get out.
He's there for comfort.
Get out.
You have to get out. Let's go. Come on.
Put the dog in the car. I'm not hurting the dog.
In the car.
Put
Here.
the dog in the car.
Here, let me have the dog. Let me have. No, let me have
Give
the
him
dog.
the dog.
Give me the dog. You have to give us the dog.
Give
You
me
are
the dog.
arrested.
Put the dog down. Don't hurt him. Put him in the seat.
I hope those people that's in that car is all right because this was just downright stupid.
Get on your face.
Gotta get down.
Now. Get
Down.
down.
Hey,
Stop resisting.
Please call my mom and tell her to get my dog.
you got it. Stop. Hey.
Stop.
She must be wigging out.
Stop. Stop.
Hey.
Stop.
That dog has a shitty owner. I'm sorry that you have to deal with that poor doggy. Cause why would you take your dog on a high-speed chase and then injure people in the process of you trying to get away because you don't want to go to jail? That's crazy.
I appreciate you.
Are you okay?
I'm good. It's just a plan. Take a breath.
Dumbass. All these people over here are okay.
Ma'am, are you okay?
I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
You still good?
You all right?
No problem.
That's the one that took the brutal end of it.
You okay, ma'am? Take a deep breath for me. Everybody's all right. Breathe. Everything's fine.
You up?
I'm good.
Okay.
Do you prefer a wrecker out of this area? Are you from here?
I'm from Charleston.
Charleston?
Damn, and she was just making her way downtown.
You want me to call
Hey.
a wrecker for you? Get you pulled out of here? I got you. We'll get that handled.
You want a place to stay? You want a
That is some Southern hospitality, for real.
Do you have a preference on a record? Do you want me to call a record for you from here?
I don't know. I'm from North Carolina.
Okay.
I
Everybody
just picked up
traveling.
my stepson, and now we're headed home.
I want to 1086.
Yeah, she'll never need to get out.
I'm not even going to tell you how stupid that was. You just stacked on like 5 more felony charges. It's the dumbest thing you could have done.
Is that the only reason you helped me?
I'm done talking to you.
And what else did you need? Oh my gosh, are you okay?
I'm good, thank you. Your insurance is on here. You're good.
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Hey, you did not sound happy about that. No, not at all, dude. Because I ran it. It was hold on a second.
According to court records, this suspect, Brandy, was charged with criminal impersonation for giving a false name, felony evading, resisting a stop, arrest, or search, driving with a suspended license, driving without a license, driving with no seatbelt, not exercising due care while driving, operating a vehicle with tinted windows, failure to maintain lane, improper driving on the right shoulder, not obeying police officers, reckless driving, speeding, following too closely, and financial responsibility for not having insurance. She took a plea deal, pleading guilty to criminal impersonation and felony evading while all other charges were dismissed. She
That was so stupid.
was ordered to pay $1,293.26, and a judge released her back into the public before this video ever saw the light of day.
What the hell? Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as helps the channel out tremendously. Why add more charges to your felonies? I mean, to your warrant. Like that, like, I didn't understand that one. I'm not gonna lie to you. And in the process, you hurt innocent people that was just trying to travel. They wasn't even from the area. They was just passing through, trying to get home or go somewhere. And you literally gave them a nightmare. And for what? At what cost? Because you didn't get away. You still got arrested. You still had to face those charges. And now you got more charges. Well, that was just the dumbest I could ever think of. And I get when we do the craziest things out of fear, but you could have really hurt somebody. What if you would have taken a life? What if one of these women would have died? Then you be sitting in prison for the rest of your life. I just don't understand it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I really enjoy watching this with you guys. As always, I'm back from vacation. It's been fun, but we back grinding. We back to doing our shit. I hope you guys didn't miss me too much. I tried to give you as many videos as I could. And that's it, baby. We out.